All right, so I am about to enter into this trade, but before I enter, let me quickly tell you what I'm seeing. Okay, so we can see that the entire bias of the market is buying. So the opportunity that I'm looking out for is to buy the markets. All right, so right now, what I'm looking to do right now is that I have marked out my previous, demand zone. So, and my previous demand zone is around this when price retraces at 15 minutes time frame right there. Okay, so you can see this is 15 minutes. So price retraced a little bit here, so it has created our demand area, and this is the next demand area. All right, so price may not actually come down to this previous break of structure demand area here. So this is where I'm looking out to actually buy demand. So let me go down to the 5 minutes and see what is actually going on right there. Okay, so we can see right here that market has retested this zone already. It has retested this zone, but the confirmation that we need before we enter the trade is that for us to see the clear trend of this range right there. So I'm going to go down to the 1 minute just to see the clear trend. Okay, just to see the clear trend. So right now we can see that after market retested this demand area, we can see that the market goes up, come down, okay, and it eventually broke through this double highs, okay, double top rather. So when it broke through this double top, so what I'm expecting right now is that it has already happened. Actually, it has already happened because I expect markets to retrace down to this demand area. Okay, so this demand area has already been tested. All right, so this is the next demand area that has already been tested right here. So, and what I'm seeing now is that we have this low here, okay, and this low has been swept. Okay, you can see that this low has been swept. This candlestick has already swept this low. So I think that this is our confirmation. Okay, so this is the mechanical way that we can trade the gold market. Okay, so we can potentially put our stop loss below here and set our TP all the way up here. Okay, so just as simple as this. So you need to actually understand supply and demand, and eventually if price took me out, okay, so what I'll be looking to do is that if price took me out, I'm going to probably re-enter here, because I think if price swept this liquidity here, this is the last demand area. So I'm going to actually enter the trade around here. Okay, so let us see what we are going to achieve here. All right, so okay, we are we are rocking it right here. All right, so this is the results. In fact, the trade is still running right now. Okay, it's still running right now, and we are currently up $20 plus. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come all the way here. Laptop too cool. Oh, look at what price is doing right now. So price was, in fact, I didn't set my take profit. I didn't set it, but I just marked it out. But what is actually happening right here is that price has, this is my entry point, and price has actually moved all the way up here, and eventually price retraced back. So when price retraces back a little bit, I expect that it will continue the upward movement. But right now, what I'm actually seeing the market doing right now is that price is seeking for price is seeking for more liquidity, let me put it that way, okay, before it continues this upward movement. So, and I think that, in fact, this is what I think that I'm going to do, because right now, if you look at this demand area right here, okay, it is more like, okay, so it is more like price is retesting this zone, okay, price is retesting this zone. That is, I can see that is what the market is doing, because you can, this zone you are looking at here, this, it has already retested this zone, so this zone is no more valid, okay, this zone is no more valid. So the valid area right now is that this zone, okay, this is the zone at which the upward movement started. So this is what the price is doing right here. So we can see that price was making, you know, was moving downward. So what is going to happen, that we are going to confirm that this market is going to continue upward, is that so what I'll be expecting right now is that, you know, price will retest this zone. In fact, price is supposed to actually, it has even actually broke through this place, okay. So this is what I'm actually expecting. In fact, we should expect the upward movement in some minutes now, okay, because since price has broke through this previous high, so it means that price will eventually start moving upward, because what is happening here is that price retested this zone again, okay. So price retested this zone, so, and in fact, this is another opportunity to re-enter the trade, okay. So, but we just have to play safe around here. So if we enter the trade around here, we place our stop loss below here. So this is more like at 0.01 lot size, we are risking about $6, and we can potentially take our profits, you know, all the way up here, okay, or probably take profits around this place. And you know, if you want to leave it, you can take the second profit around here. So I think I don't know if I should enter this trade. I don't know. You can see that the price has actually retested this zone, okay, it has retested this zone, but in fact, I'm not sure price will continue this upward movements. I'm not sure, but let us see what we have. So I have not entered this session, okay, I have not entered this trade right there, but this one is ongoing. All right, so let us see what the market is going to do. So guys, I want to ask you, you can see that this is my entry point, and price has actually gone back all the way down below my entry point. So it means that currently I am running at loss. So now, this is what they call when you are a disciplined trader to when you are gambling trade, okay. So right now I have actually set my TP, I have actually set my stop loss, all right, but you know that at the point at which I'm running at loss right now, if it is other, or let me say that, probably when I was learning to trade, at this point in time I will be feeling somehow that, oh, price ti fẹ́ lọ sí stop loss mi, mo ti fẹ́ lose owó bye bye. But you know what actually differentiates disciplined trader to beginner trader is that I'm trusting my trading plan, okay. I am trading my strategy. I'm not actually gambling the market, okay. That is what makes the difference. I am trading my plan, okay. I am trading my strategy. I'm not gambling trade right there, okay. So this is the difference it makes. So you know, the more you continue to implement, the more you learn how to adapt to the market. So anyways, I'm still going to leave this trade to run to my TP, okay. So let us see what we got. All right, All right, so kiliti na yẹn ń dùn gas yẹn ti fẹ́ tán ó yẹ shut down. So banshilekun yẹn, unfortunately I lose this trade. Okay, so I have a few gas. So I lose this trade. Okay, so but what actually happened is that it was just a bit stop loss, like it was just small stop loss that took me out. You can imagine. So this is, I don't know, this is not really good. So I actually have $17 loss right here. Okay, $17. So it is what it is. All right, so the best thing is that I actually executed my trade. All right, so I executed my trade, and I believe that I am refining the edges more and more. Okay, so I'm refining more and more, and I believe that you know, I'll continue to improve. All right, I'll continue to improve. So that's $17 loss. So probably I think that I'm still seeing an opportunity in the market, but I'm going to do another video on that one. Okay, so I'm going to realize the market, analyze the market again, and I'm going to record that. So let us see what we got. I'll see you in the next video. All right.